Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you how I decorated my guest bathroom and my guest bedroom for Christmas. I hope you enjoy. Okay, so here is my bathroom. So when you first walk in, you'll see the North Pole Tree Farm rug, and I got that from the Dollar Tree. Over by the bathtub is a black and red buffalo check mat, and it's one of those memory foam ones. I got that during the Black Friday sales at Walmart this year. And then if you pan, I'm going to pan over here to my sink area, and over here up on the wall on my towel hanger there is this is a towel from the Dollar Tree. It just says holiday greetings and has a little red farm truck on there. That's their fingertip towels, I believe. So I just have that up there on the little towel bar. And then I'm going to pan down here in this corner of my bathroom countertop I put this is a fiber optic tree, and I've had this for several years. I'm not even real sure where I got it from. And then sitting next to it are the little elves from the Dollar Tree from this year. And then the tree skirt is a red and black buffalo plaid tree skirt that I also got from the Dollar Tree last year. And then this Farm Fresh Christmas trees wooden sign I got from the Dollar Tree last year. And then over here is, this is a candle holder that I got from the Dollar Tree last year. And is the black and white buffalo checked. And then there's a tea light in there from the Dollar Tree. And then the canister with the cotton rounds is also from the Dollar Tree. I just usually keep that up in my bathroom all year. And then this little nutcracker. Now this is from the Dollar Tree, and this is from several years ago. This is before they started making the nutcrackers plastic. This is a wooden one. So I have that one there. And then over here, there is this hand soap, which is, it's the peppermint bark. And I got this from Walmart this year. It smells really, really good. But I like the buffalo check on there because it kind of went with my theme. And then over here is another one of those nutcrackers from the Dollar Tree from several years ago that is wooden. I wish they would bring back the wooden ones. And then obviously another one of the canisters with cotton swabs in there. And then another one of the candle holders from the Dollar Tree. And then there is this little red farm truck. It's metal, and my mom gave this to me. I believe she got it from Walmart. And inside it, I just rolled up some of the fingertip towels from the Dollar Tree. And then right behind it, I have put these tinsel trees that I got from the Dollar Tree. And there's 3 there. I just stacked them one on top of each other just to give them some height and make them a little bit taller. So there's that. I DIY'd this. It's a Dollar Tree picture frame, and then I just painted it a little bit and then added some of the nautical rope from the Dollar Tree. I glued that on there. But I think I may have a tutorial on how I did this. I'm not sure, but if I do, I will link it down in the description box down below. But over here on this side of the wall is that little black and red buffalo checked bow is from the Dollar Tree, and I just cut off the tails of it. And then the sled here is from Target this year. And then panning on down on the towel bar. So this is just, the white towel is from Walmart this year during one of the Black Friday sales that they were having. The red and black buffalo check is from the Dollar Tree last year. And it does say deck the halls on it, but I just cover it up with this fingertip towel from the Dollar Tree. It's just like the one that's hanging on my little hand towel bar over here. So there's that. And then over here on my toilet is, these are the little stuffed, I don't know, decor, Christmas decor items that Dollar Tree carried this year. So they're just like the elves. And this one is the Santa Claus, and I really liked it because it does have the red and black buffalo checked hat. So that's sitting there on the back of the toilet. This canister, or this little tin pill here, I think my daughter got that for me for Christmas. It was either last year or the year before. It had a bunch of little goodies inside it. And then I've got 3 bouquets of white poinsettias, and those are from the Dollar Tree. And then here is the little the little snowman that is also from the Dollar Tree, and he goes well with my decor too because he has the red and black buffalo plaid scarf and a little bit there on his hat. And then panning up, hanging on the wall here is a wreath that my daughter got me, I believe last year or the year before, for Christmas, and I think it's just beautiful. And I love that it has the little red truck in there. It goes really good in this bathroom this year with this theme because I kind of have the little red truck theme kind of going on in here. So anyway, I thought that was really, really pretty and looked really good hanging up there. So there is that. Okay, so this is my daughter's old bedroom, which is currently our guest bedroom. So when you walk in the door, you'll see the bed. This is an old antique iron bed that my mom gave me. On the bed are the black and red buffalo checked throw from Hobby Lobby. And then the pillows are all from TJ Maxx or Marshall's, one of those two. And then I've got some red garland just wrapped around the headboard of the bed. And then up here on the wall, these are my cathedral windows that I purchased at a little boutique that's local to me. And the garland is just some of the Dollar Tree garland tinsel tie thingies that you can get from Dollar Tree. I just wrapped two of them together and formed a circle. And then the red and black buffalo check bow is also from the Dollar Tree. And then I have my windmill decor that I got from Walmart several years ago. And then on this side, another one of the cathedral windows. And then this room is a work in progress. I'm still working on trying to get some side tables and some lamps and stuff to put in here. But this bed sits pretty high because we do have a regular box spring and mattress on this bed. And typically with these old antique kind of beds, the box spring is a lot thinner. So it does make the bed set up quite a bit higher. So I've got to find some tables that are tall enough for the bed. So anyway, then I'm going to pan over here, and hanging up on the wall over here, these are the little floating shelves that I got from the Dollar Tree. And then on the shelves, I have these little glass jars, which are also from the Dollar Tree. And I just put a poinsettia, a white poinsettia flower in there from the Dollar Tree. And then I have a nutcracker from the Dollar Tree. And then over here is the same floating shelf from Dollar Tree, nutcracker, and then the same glass jar with the white poinsettia. And then coming down in the corner, I just have this little, I don't know, it's like a TV dinner stand or whatever. If you were in my era of age, then you would know what a TV dinner stand is. But so anyway, it's just a little table that I have set here. And then I've got one of the scarves from the Dollar Tree. Also, the little mini tree is from the Dollar Tree, and I just wrapped some white tinsel around it, garland, and then put the red and black buffalo check bows. That's also from the Dollar Tree. And then the collar around it is also from the Dollar Tree this year. These little goblets I got from the Dollar Tree, and I just put some of the vase filler down inside there. And I did a DIY on these, on how you can make it look like they're standing on snow and all that, but I will link that down in the description box. And then over here, same thing. This one is a little bit different, but there's that. And then the Dollar Tree, this is like an ornament. I think I got this last year from Dollar Tree, the little red truck. So I got that. And then panning over here, hanging on the wall is my candy cane wreath that I made. I think I made this last year. So I've just got that hanging up there on the wall. So that is how I decorated my guest bathroom and my guest bedroom for Christmas this year. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. I wanted to thank you all for watching, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye!